Om Shanti, Namaste to everyone. Welcome to Himalayan Yoga Association. My name is Anil. I am anatomy teacher, and today I am going to describe about human cells, types of tissues and human organs. So first let us begin the class. Sit in any comfortable position. Spine straight, eyes closed. Adopt Gyanar Chin Mudra. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale for one time Om, followed by opening mantra. Om. Yogena chittasya padena vacham malam sarirasya cha vaidyakena योपाकरोत्तम प्रवरम मुनीनां पतंजलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि। Join your both palm together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palms. Apply an eyes. Slowly and gently open your eyes. Om Shanti. As we know, our today's topic is human cells, type of tissues and organs. So, begin with human cells. What is cell? Cell is the smallest structural and functional unit of human body or any body. Cell is the smallest structural and functional unit of body. Body contains several billion cells with different size, shape and function. The first cell discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. But cell theory developed by microbiologist Sheldon, Sheldon, Sheldon and Swan about properties of cell. They said all living things are made of cells and their products. All living things are made of cells and their products. New cells are created by old cells dividing into two. New cells created by old cells dividing into two. Means old cells divided into two parts or more parts and creates new cells. Cells are basic building blocks of life. Cells are basic building blocks of our life. What is modern concept? Modern concept says activities of an organism depends on total activity of independent cell. Activities of an organism depends on total activity of independent cell. energy flow occurs in cells through breakdown of carbohydrates and the energy of respiration through respiratory system. Cell contains information necessary for creation of new cells. Now we look about cell structure. What is cell structure? There are 9 parts in cells, 9 parts. Cell, inside cell there is 9 divisions. The first is cell membrane, the outer layer or the boundary of the cell is known as cell membrane. Nucleus, the middle part is nucleus. And the third part is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm found inside the cell. The dot point, like dot point. This is the filling of cell, that is known as cytoplasm. And next is cell organelles. Cell organelles, those are also found inside the cell. And next is mitochondria. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of cell. Mitochondria is powerhouse of cell. And next is endoplasmic reticulum. This is this structure connected to nucleus is endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum have 2 parts. There is rougher part and smoother part. Rougher part known as RER, rougher endoplasmic reticulum, and smoother part known as smoother endoplasmic reticulum. The next is Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus, same like endoplasmic reticulum structure, and it works like post office. It works like cell's post office. Next is ribosomes. Ribosomes are protein factory of cell. And the last is lysosomes. Lysosomes, also known as suicidal bag, that engulf old cells. So its name is suicidal bag. Now come to function of cells. What is the function of cell? It provides support and structure. It provides support and structure to body and facilitate growth. It also facilitates growth of body and work as transport of substances. It also provides transportation through blood and work as energy production, means it produces energy. So this is all about human cell. Now we move to types of tissues. How many types of tissues are there? Tissue. What is tissue? First, tissue comes from French word, that meaning is to weave. Tissue is defined as the group of similar cells from the same origin that carry out a specific function and are classified according to the size, shape and function of their constituent cells. Animal tissue is divided into 4 major types called primary tissues. The first primary tissue is epithelial tissue. The squamous, cuboidal and columnar epithelium is epithelial tissues. They provide protection, secretion and absorption. The second type of tissue is connective tissue. Connective tissue proper, cartilage, bone and blood are connective tissues. They provide binding and structural support. Also give protection and transportation facilities. They also provide transportation facilities and insulation. They provide insulation as well. The third type of tissue is muscular tissue or muscle tissue. The skeleton muscle, smooth muscle and cardiac muscles are the muscular tissue. They provide movement, posture, they provide posture also. They provide stability and contraction and relaxation. The fourth type of tissue is nervous tissue. Nervous tissues that controls and coordinate intellectual activities. So these are the 4 major types that called primary tissue. This is the types of tissue. As we know, this is about yoga related tissues which we want to know. And now we move to organs. What are human organs are there and how it counting is there. What is organ? An organ is a collection of tissues. Like tissues are the collection of cells. Like that, organ is the collection of tissues joined in a structural unit to serve a function. Now move towards how this counted and what are the counting in the body. The number of organs depends on who in the medical field and how they count it. The general count is 78 organs. There is 78 organs in human body as general counting, but bones and teeth are each counted only once for 78 counting, not 71, 78 counting. Counting each bone and tooth separately increases the organ list to 315 organs. And counting every ligament and tendon would further dramatically increase the total number of organs. Not every organ is necessary for survival, but the brain, heart, liver and at least one kidney and one lung are absolutely essential for living. Losing the total function of any one of these 5 vital organs can result in death. So this is all about organs which we want to know related to yoga perspective, and we completed our human cells, types of tissues and human organs. So let us close the class. Join with me for closing the class. Sit in any comfortable position. Spine straight, eyes closed. Adopt Jnana or Chin Mudra. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale for 1 time Om, followed by closing mantra. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। शांति 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 है। Join your both palm together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palms. Apply on your eyes. Slowly and gently while blinking, open your eyes. Thank you for joining the class. Om Shanti.